What does electrical resistance refer to? A. The flow of electric current. B. The storage of electric current. C. The opposition to the flow of electric current. D. The generation of electric current. The correct answer is C. The opposition to the flow of electric current. What is the primary function of a stethoscope? A. To stimulate heart contractions. B. To measure blood pressure. C. To detect sounds produced by internal organs. D. To analyze blood samples. The correct answer is C. To detect sounds produced by internal organs. What are the two main types of friction? A. Magnetic and electric friction. B. Static and kinetic friction. C. Rolling and sliding friction. D. Kinetic and fluid friction. The correct answer is B. Static and kinetic friction. What types of forces exist based on how they are applied? A. Magnetic and electric. B. Contact and non-contact. C. Gravitational and friction. D. Push and pull. The correct answer is B. Contact and non-contact. A compound consisting only of hydrogen and carbon atoms is classified as what? A. Protein. B. Lipid. C. Hydrocarbon. D. Carbohydrate. The correct answer is C. Hydrocarbon. What causes an atom to acquire a charge? A. Gaining or losing electrons. B. Gaining or losing protons. C. Forming covalent bonds. D. Gaining or losing neutrons. The correct answer is A. Gaining or losing electrons. What is the purpose of rearing aquatic organisms in aquaculture? A. To clean polluted water bodies. B. To study aquatic diseases. C. To increase biodiversity in oceans. D. To produce economically important organisms. The correct answer is D. To produce economically important organisms. What temperature scale has 0K as its base? A. Celsius scale. B. Fahrenheit scale. C. Centigrade scale. D. Kelvin or absolute scale. The correct answer is D. Kelvin or absolute scale. What type of ribosomes are found in the stroma of a chloroplast? A. 60S ribosomes. B. 90S ribosomes. C. 80S ribosomes. D. 70S ribosomes. The correct answer is D. 70S ribosomes. Where do sounds from sources fall into an ear trumpet? A. The receiver port. B. The middle section. C. The wide end. D. At the narrow end. The correct answer is C. The wide end. Which entity typically forms a wildlife sanctuary? A. The state or central government. B. International conservation organizations. C. Private land developers. D. Local community groups. The correct answer is A. The state or central government. What is the function of a flexor muscle? A. To bend a limb at a joint. B. To straighten a limb at a joint. C. To relax the associated extensor muscle. D. To push bones away from a joint. The correct answer is A. To bend a limb at a joint. What happens to the voltage across the bulbs in a series circuit? A. It remains the same. B. It increases proportionally. C. It gets divided. D. It becomes zero. The correct answer is C. It gets divided. What acts as a preservative in honey? A. Pollution. B. Propolis. C. Water. D. Sugar. The correct answer is D. Sugar. What is the scientific term for sound waves with frequencies higher than the upper audible limit of human hearing? A. Ultrasonic sound. B. Stellar energy. C. Short circuit. D. Rarefactions. The correct answer is A. Ultrasonic sound. In the described setup, what is attached to the flexible cone? A. A detector for magnetic fields. B. An electromagnet. C. A source of electricity. D. A permanent magnet. The correct answer is B. An electromagnet. What is a consequence of deforestation regarding atmospheric gases? A. More carbon dioxide accumulates. B. Reduced carbon dioxide accumulation. C. Reduced methane levels. D. Increased oxygen levels. The correct answer is A. More carbon dioxide accumulates. What is the point called through which the force of buoyancy is assumed to act? A. Center of gravity. B. Center of buoyancy. C. Fulcrum. D. Center of mass. The correct answer is B. Center of buoyancy. What does ethnobotany contribute to regarding the economy? A. Space tourism. B. Cottage industries and economic upliftment. C. Global financial markets. D. Industrial automation. The correct answer is B. Cottage industries and economic upliftment. Which term describes Salmonella species? A. A fungus that causes skin infections. B. A parasite that causes malaria. C. A virus that causes respiratory disease. D. A bacteria that can cause foodborne infection. The correct answer is D. A bacteria that can cause foodborne infection. A circuit where electric current flows from the positive to the negative terminal is described as A. An underscore 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 underscore. A. Open circuit. B. Closed path. C. Incomplete circuit. D. Broken circuit. The correct answer is B. Closed path. What is the term for an adaptation that provides buoyancy to plants? A. Photosynthesis. B. Respiration. C. Transpiration. D. Air chambers. The correct answer is D. Air chambers. Biological organization progresses from the submicroscopic molecular level to what next level? A. Organ level. B. System level. C. Cellular level. D. Tissue level. The correct answer is C. Cellular level. Which animal is primarily associated with vermicompost production? A. Shrimp. B. Sheep. C. Earthworm. D. Chicken. The correct answer is C. Earthworm. What is the process of nitrate formation from ammonium compounds called? A. Nitrification. B. Denitrification. C. Ammonification. D. Nitrogen fixation. The correct answer is A. Nitrification. How many known elements did John Newlands arrange? A. 118. B. 8. C. 3. D. 56. The correct answer is D. 56. What is the total number of known elements? A. 26. B. 92. C. 118. D. Countless. The correct answer is C. 118. Which of the following is an example of an output device? A. Arithmetic logic unit. B. CPU. C. Control unit. D. Scanner. The correct answer is D. Scanner. In a chain reaction, how does the number of neutrons typically multiply? A. Arithmetical progression. B. Linear progression. C. Geometrical progression. D. Randomly. The correct answer is C. Geometrical progression. What must a substance's temperature be for it to catch fire and burn safely? A. Higher than its ignition temperature. B. Below its ignition temperature. C. Equal to its ignition temperature. D. Slightly above room temperature. The correct answer is A. Higher than its ignition temperature. How did you score?